Hey, this is Mac the Teach, born in V Beach. We're on to week three. I ended up skipping week two recording. All the stuff is posted on my website if you want to see the pics. We got shredded. Uh, it looks like we went 3-9 on week two, and that's to be expected. Now, some people are like, "What do you mean that's to be expected?" Mine's a mathematical model. If I'm going off of 1 week's worth of data, how pure is that? Now moving to week three, so we lost everything you possibly could lose, and the truth is, they weren't. A lot of the games weren't close. I know I talked to colleagues that don't bet my system, but bet on other things. They also faced the same tragedy on last Sunday. So anyway, bottom line is, you can't start looking at my games until week three, week four, week five. Then the normalization of the data should come in. My analysis should rise uh, to the top. Now, here's the problem. I looked at past few years that I've done this, and I looked at my projections. I looked at how well I did, and on average, it's in the NFL. It's predicting somewhere between 8 to 10 bets a weekend. That includes over/unders. That includes spread bets. Sometimes you'll have two bets on an individual game. But long story short, it should be around 8 to 10. Some people are only going to bet one, two, three games. I am trying to do something different with my program. I'm trying to diversify the picks, still create a winning value, which basically takes the risk out. You're spreading it over more picks, but you're still winning. Anyway, bottom line, let's look at week three. Now, here's the problem with week three is I'm not going to bet it. And I'm flat out telling you that, and I don't think you should. But here are some numbers to look at anyway. If you look, it's Thursday. The Jets game's tonight. It has the under, 5-star, under 37.5. I think it's up to 38.5 now. But it's still, I have projected points 29. It has Pittsburgh winning, home minus the points against the Chargers. That's a tough bet. I'm not sure I'd take that. Chicago, Indianapolis under. I sort of like that bet, under 5. As you progress down the board, you can see, but just got to count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 bets. And you have 5 under 5-star bets. I like the under in the NFL. I do. I think it's tough for people to bet, and I actually think it provides a lot of value. You can see the numbers on the far side. Here's what a few of my buddies are doing. They have multiple other sources, but they're using my numbers and my bets as a baseline. If the source says, hey, go this way, like big, they at least refer back to my numbers, and I think you should probably do the same thing. I think we're set up for success. I'm not betting this week because it shows 23 games. In the NFL, 13 games. Next week, if it's like 9, 10 games, come week 4, I will start betting. Look at the numbers, food for thought, keep going. I'm out of my Survivor League already. I lost first week, but I probably would have taken Baltimore second week, and I would have lost there too. Anyway, good luck and good gambling.